Hey everyone, I figured I would just give an update. It's been 2 weeks since the renovation started and we've got quite a lot of work done. I'd probably say halfway done. Still a lot left to do, yeah. This is the kitchen, completely gutted. We have the drain lines ran. We're just waiting to put the leveling cement and fill that back in. The plan is to put the flooring over the existing tile, just remove the ones that are cracked and broken. So tomorrow we got a big day. We're gonna go take the cabinet measurements, make sure everything's good, then buy the cabinets. Should take about a week to get. Yeah. We also got the recessed lights up there, kind of working good. So yeah, it's kitchen area. And then quickly, this is the living den room, yeah, painted. We ended up choosing to go with, it's called Alabaster. Really nice paint, very subtle, not gray. Kind of hard to tell with this lighting, but it's kind of like an off-white. Fits the house pretty well. We also got all of the popcorn ceiling removed, as you can tell. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We'll put knockdown texture on there. Pretty happy with the quality. Yeah. Okay, and then same deal here. This is the guest bedroom. Yeah, looks good. Just gotta paint it. Gotta get the flooring and all that cool stuff. This is the guest bathroom. Yeah, ready to be tiled. So tomorrow we're gonna tile as well. Purchased all the tiles today, so gonna put the tile up. This one is going to be, I want to say beige or light, large style tile with black hardware. That's the plan. Still trying to figure out what to do about the vanity situation here. I'm not sure. Welcome to comment what color we should do with that and whatnot. Cool, yeah. And then this is the master bedroom. The light on here. Yeah, pretty good size, cleaned up. Yeah. And finally, we got the master stand-up shower. I decided to go with subway tiles all the way to the ceiling. I'm gonna go with dark hexagon tiles here. I think it'll look good. I don't know, I'm debating about, we originally planned on doing brushed nickel hardware in this bathroom just to make it different from the gas one, but I'm not sure how that's gonna look. We're gonna probably play it by ear about how to do that. Yeah, overall pretty happy with the quality of work. Popcorn ceiling is gone as well. Anything else? Yeah, closets cleaning up nicely. Cool, yeah, that's pretty much it. 2 weeks in, pretty good progress, feeling pretty happy with the state of things. We got 2 more weeks left, so wish us luck.